Friends, I've had a very exciting tour of the state-of-the-art Faculty of Engineering, Design and Automation here at GNA University. और ये देखकर मुझे इतनी हैरानी हो रही है कि अपने रीजन में इतना state-of-the-art infrastructure, software, instructors, global tie-ups, sort of industry exposure, all that exists right here in Punjab. And we are here today with Mr. Tripathi, who is the Dean of Design at GNA University. और ये हमें in-depth बताएंगे about everything you want to know about the robotics and automation program. Now, इस प्रोग्राम के बारे में हर बच्चे ने किसी ना किसी मूवी के रूप में रोबोटिक्स के बारे में सोचा होगा, ट्रांसफॉर्मर्स एंड ऑल दोस अदर सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग्स. साइंस फिक्शन मूवीज़ में अक्सर बात होती है रोबोट्स की. एंड इवन हमारे घरों में भी अब रोबोट्स एंटर कर गए हैं थ्रू ऑटोमेटेड वैक्यूम क्लीनर्स. एंड आई वाज एट अ कॉन्फ्रेंस रिसेंटली वेयर आई सॉ सोफिया द रोबोट एंड सो मेनी अदर एक्साइटिंग थिंग्स. रोबोटिक्स एंड ऑटोमेशन इज हेयर टू स्टे. कहा जाता है कि आने वाले समय में कितनी वो जॉब्स, द 3 Ds, द डल, द डर्टी एंड द डेंजरस, द डल, डर्टी एंड डेंजरस जॉब्स आर गोइंग टू बी गिवन टू मशीन्स, बिकॉज मशीन्स इनको ज़्यादा प्रिसीजन के साथ, कम कॉस्ट के साथ और ज़्यादा एफिशिएंसी के साथ कवर कर लेते हैं. तो आइए बात करते हैं मिस्टर त्रिपाठी से, हु इज़ द डीन ऑफ डिज़ाइन हियर एट GNA यूनिवर्सिटी. एंड सर, मेरा फर्स्ट जो क्वेश्चन आपसे वो ये है कि यू वन मेनी अवार्ड्स. इट वाज सच एन इम्प्रेसिव टूर ऑफ द एंटायर डिपार्टमेंट. ग्लोबल विजिटर्स, चाहे वो कोरिया से हैं, चाहे वो जापान से हैं, चाहे वो जर्मनी से हैं. और व्यूवर्स को ये भी बता दूं कि मिस्टर त्रिपाठी के फॉरेन एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में आई थिंक देयर आर 3 वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स दैट वी शुड not miss before we go further into this video. He has global experience from those countries जिनमें robotic penetration सबसे high है. कहा जाता है South Korea में it is one of the highest. You have spent time at Busan, South Korea. You have spent time at Ashan University, Germany, and you have spent time even with the Kamera Sons group in Japan. So आप global experience लेकर हमारे रीजन में यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट्स को कितने सालों से इक्विप करते आए हैं विद द लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी. वास्ट इंडस्ट्रियल एक्सपोजर, आई थिंक विद Volkswagen in Pune also you've spent some time there, and industrial live projects you've been doing. So that is the background of this gentleman who's heading this department. Now we go over to you to find out, sir, what are some of the latest trends and what are the awards and global tie-ups? What's happening here in this very exciting field of robotics and automation here at GNA University?
Okay, thank you sir, giving that introduction and opportunity to me, that is speak about that our faculty and course curriculums. If you see that is a faculty of engineering, design and automation. It was started in you can say that 2014 onwards. But
okay.
Before that, it was started in 2004 at GNA IMT. In GNA IMT, we already introduced that different kind of technology, which is used the latest technology in the industry, like CAD, CAM, CAE and 3D printer applications.
I believe you were first in the region to bring these technologies.
Yes. That you can say that, because in 2004 onwards, in 2007 up to 2007, अगर आप देखोगे जलंधर एंड लुधियाना एंड चंडीगढ़ रीजन में
जी,
वो CNC मशीन का एप्लीकेशन, CAD का एप्लीकेशन तो बहुत रेयरली था. That is it's used in that you can say that in south side up to that 50%, 60%.
So you've been the pioneers of the region.
That is you can say that, because of more than that 6,000 to 7,000 students already crossing this technology.
Wow.
Okay, they are not working in that domestic market. They are working that global market also. Because of Australia, Canada and UK, that is a common one. But out of that also, if you see that Belgium, Poland, Norway and South Korea, as well as that Singapore, Malaysia, the students are working there itself. If you think that is not only that you can say that knowledge to the students and giving that theoretical part of the students, but it's placement is the most important factor. If you see that in the placement, that more than the 40% students the global placement, and that 60% students are getting the placement in that local region.
Very nice.
Every industries, if you think about the automobile industries or you can say that casting and molding industries, and everywhere you can get our students, and we are taking that feedback from other student time to time. Because of time to time industry is going to change.
जी, true.
The technology is going to change.
True.
So due to the technology, if you are focusing on that your core subject or core knowledge only, then it's very difficult to survive in the market.
True. अगर सिर्फ theoretical एक understanding है, right?
Core engineering, देखो everywhere that core engineering they are running.
जी.
Core mechanical engineering, computer science engineering, electrical engineering. So like this core engineering are there. Whatever contents are available in 1973, same contents are continually they are taken.
True. And sir, I think this theme has been common in every department that I have discovered here in the career guidance series at GNA University, is that the industry linkage is very strong. वो चाहे hospitality की बात कर लें, चाहे aerospace engineering, all the other fields that I've encountered so far, the strong industry linkage is a backbone. और मेरा मानना है इस बदलते हुए युग में जहाँ इंडिया प्रिपेयर कर रहा है to compete with the best globally, it is really important for these two things to happen. One is the immediate industry linkage to understand, अगर मैंने आज चीज़ ये थ्योरेटिकली पढ़ी है या आज ये सिमुलेशन सॉफ्टवेयर अंडरस्टैंड किया है तो उसका रियल वर्ल्ड एप्लीकेशन कैसे होने वाला है, मेरे डिसीजंस का क्या रेपरकशन होने वाला है. सो आई थिंक द सेम फोकस हेयर एग्जिस्ट ऑल्सो इन द रोबोटिक्स एंड ऑटोमेशन बीटेक कोर्स ऑल्सो.
Yes, sir. If sir, just I will give that two unique programs. That is mechanical and automation engineering, robotics and automation engineering, which is introduced in our university.
Okay.
After that aerospace engineering. So in these two technologies, that is minimum 80% practical exposure is required.
True.
If you are giving that theoretical part, whatever is written in that books, it's books is written that just is showing that your path, how you direction only. But the real life, that is when it is something about that course content, and same thing if you show in the practically, okay, then student can remember easily.
True.
As well as he can apply that things as industrial point of view.
So his grasp is more strong on the
Yes.
yeah.
So according to that industrial requirement, that we are developing different kind of course curriculum as per as per demand of the current trends and technology.
I see.
So we already tie up collaboration with the different global industries like Siemens Germany, PTC Inc USA, Dassault System France, and Stratasys USA. So these companies, they are giving that global exposure to our students.
जी.
Whatever that global changes are coming in that global industries, same things they are transferred to us. Because of that since 2008 and 2009 onwards, I already told to you, we started that our program since 2004,
Wow.
GNIMT.
So there is a rich history
Yes.
of body of work.
Yes, we started this university in 2014, but our education background is started from 2004, means
Okay.
almost around that 15 to 16 years.
Okay.
back.
Okay.
So that times that technology is growing. Okay, but this technology right now, it is, if you can say that we are not started recently, we are step up this technology.
Oh, you've stepped up.
Yeah, it's coming that you can say that latest applications.
So you're building on your previous strength.
Yeah, previous.
So if I may come to the more specific program, the 4-year degree program that you have here, the BTech in Robotics and Automation, which just sounds very exciting. और जितना मुझे knowledge है कि अभी replacement हो रही है, धड़ाधड़ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में, ऑटोमोबाइल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में, हर जगह the 3Ds as I already said, वो jobs जो machines efficiently कर सकते हैं, खास करके post COVID-19 में I think ये और important हो जाएगा, right? So from a layman's perspective, can you please tell us what is happening in this 4-year degree program, Robotics and Automation?
Robotics and automation engineering. First of all, automation. Automation means that is a reduce that labors and workers from the industry.
Okay.
What industry looking? Industry looking that every machinery system it should be run with the help of that computer programming.
Okay.
So this robotics and automation engineering, it's a combination of electronics,
Okay.
computer science, and mechanical systems.
Okay.
If you think about this, in that aircraft industries, shipyard industries, and home appliance industries, and your goods and packaging industries, pharmaceutical industries, health and life science industries, they are running that whole the system in automations, and they are replace that workers and laborers with the robots, because the robots they are working in high precise compared to that human. Then what happened it humans, because of that people when that work you can say that in sub floors or in risk factor areas, that is it's a effect to our human being, so that you can replace with the help of your robotic systems. So for the robotics, for running that robotic system, we are using the two technology also. The technology is IoT and that PLM system, product life cycle management system.
Okay.
This PLM, product life cycle management system, okay, then IoT, that wherever that the robots are running, that your supervisor, your engineer should not go there and look at what happened there. Everything they can sit in their cabin.
So it's very little human interference.
Yes.
Okay.
He can assess and he can see it what happened there. As well as he should not check that control system of that robots and how it's running, and what the programs are wrong there. Everything they can check here itself, and they can guide to that supervisor also. And this robot number 11 or robot number 13 or robot number 17 is the problem. You please look it and you please verify it. So that nowadays this robotics application and this robotics prospect, you can say that future prospect, it's very very bright, and in the vast scale that everywhere the demand is coming.
मैंने देखा था एक वीडियो विच वॉज वेरी इंप्रेसिव, जो अलीबाबा जो है इनका चाइनीज़ जो रिटेल जाइंट है, इवन फ्लिपकार्ट इन इंडिया, इनके लॉजिस्टिक्स जो एरिया है उसमें जो पैकेजिंग हो रही है एज द ऑर्डर, एज सून एज द ऑर्डर कम्स इन, इट इज़ अ फुली ऑटोमेटेड वेयर हाउस विद ओनली 30% ह्यूमन प्रेजेंस. वो ऑटोमेटिकली रोबोट्स पैकेज उठा रहे हैं, उनको पैकेज कर रहे हैं, शिपिंग के लिए भेज रहे हैं, कितना कुछ हो रहा है. सो मच इज हैपनिंग, एंड आई थिंक एशिया में अकॉर्डिंग टू सम फिगर्स द हाइएस्ट पेनिट्रेशन ऑफ रोबोट्स इज सरप्राइजिंगली इन एशिया, वेयर द पॉपुलेशन इज ऑलरेडी वेरी हाई. साउथ कोरिया वेयर यू ऑल्सो हैड एक्सपीरियंस, सिंगापुर, चाइना, दी सॉर्ट ऑफ प्लेसेस. और एक नया टर्म आया है कॉल्ड कोबॉट्स, which is a robot working alongside human being. So cobots also. So this technology is very exciting, very developing, and I think it's a great thing for the region that you are doing, that you are bringing state of the art infrastructure, state of the art software. जो मैंने personally अभी आपने जो दिखाया, थोड़ा software के बारे में बताएं. So all sort of simulation softwares that you have here, which students can get hands-on experience. Labs have already had a tour, which is very very exciting. So I'd love to hear more about the simulation and design softwares.
Yes, if you are thinking that our robotics programs in IIT Mumbai, PSG Coimbatore, and Anna University, okay, they exactly running about that in a practical way. Same things you can see in GNA University also.
Great.
Because of GNA University, he started these programs because huge investment is required for this program.
True.
Yeah, because of that software, whatever softwares we are using from that Siemens and PTC and Dassault systems that already I shown to you. Okay, that it's that the PTC, that product, it's used for the product design, and that Dassault system, that CATIA, it is used for that you can say that mechanism design. How that robot, you can see that simulations. Because of student after completion of these 4 years degree programs, they are not getting the job only designs.
True.
Because the first robotic design is required, but whatever joints and whatever functions are add on that robots, that virtually with the help of the software they can see it, and whatever problems are coming before that live production or live manufacturing process, they can eliminate that kind of problems there itself.
और जैसे आपने कहा कि simulations are happening here in the labs, I also believe जब तक उसका practical aspect, until it is incomplete without an industrial plant. Yes. And one of your USPs, one of your strong USPs, unmatchable USP वो ये है कि GNA plant आपके पास है जहाँ पर automation is in practice, where यही students जो जाकर वहाँ पर जिस चीज़ को theoretically समझते हैं उसको practically देख पाते हैं, so they can understand that correlation is there. It's not that जैसे कि कभी कंप्यूटर पढ़ाया जाए बच्चे को और कंप्यूटर दिखाया नहीं गया, या उसको ड्राइविंग सिखाया गया पर ड्राइवर सीट पे बिठाया नहीं गया, या उसको स्विमिंग का थ्योरेटिकल लेसन दिया पर उसको पूल में धकेला नहीं. बट यू हैव अ पूल वेयर यू आर पुशिंग देम एंड दे कैन एक्सपेरिमेंट ऑल दैट, एंड हम व्यूअर्स को वहाँ भी लेकर चलेंगे, विच इज़ अगेन एन आई ओपनर कि हमारे रीजन में सच एडवांस्ड ऑटोमेशन एग्जिस्ट. बिफोर वी डू दैट सर, what sort of job opportunities can a student who's a graduate of your 4-year robotics and automation BTech, what sort of job opportunities can he expect in India and abroad?
Yes, I will add one thing that because of that you are saying that industrial exposure is required.
Ji.
Here in GN University, I will show that lab also. Okay, in GN University, we have that prototype robots. In that robots, what kind of that programs and what kind of the operations, functions you can do it, everything we teach here. And afterwards we take that our student in our industry.
Great.
In industry, that is industrial robotics exposures are there, because we have that number of robots in our industry.
Number of manufacturing processes.
Manufacturing processes are
Right,
there also.
right.
That is automation systems also there. So line follower, pick and drop, everything that whatever that functions, industrial application functions, that will show there itself. Then students, they correlated this theoretical as well as prototype robot functions in industrial applications. So both the things, once they will get it, they may not fear anything about that industrial application when they reach to that.
So there is no fear. There is no fear.
No fear.
कि मैंने तो सिर्फ theoretically समझा है, अब मुझे practically करना है. It's like dentist को theoretically सिखा दिया दांत कैसे निकालना है, पर patient पे हाथ नहीं डाला उसने. That sort of dentists are very scared to approach the patient. So you are fulfilling that gap. Which
because
is
once they get that, yes, that confidence, yes, I know better than that others, as well as the theoretical part as well as the practical part, both the things I have that confidence. The student, they can enter in different industries that like this way, if you see that home appliance industries, aircraft industries, as well as packaging industries, and automobile, large scale automobile industries, because of automobile industry in India, there is a number of automobile industries. They got that 7th position also in the world market of the 2-wheeler manufacturing as a 4-wheeler manufacturing, and every industries they are using nowadays this the robotic systems. So in robotic system, you can say that vast job opportunities are available, but
Right.
that opportunity, how the student will be captured.
ट्रू दिस आई ऑलवेज बिलीव्ड इन। मैंने जब आपका टूर ही ले रहा था तो मैंने ये बोला कि आपने कोई कमी नहीं छोड़ी है, आप ना सॉफ्टवेयर में, ना इक्विपमेंट में, ना फैकल्टी में, ना ग्लोबल टाई-अप्स में, ना इंडस्ट्रियल एक्सपोजर में, कोई कमी नहीं। ऑफ कोर्स इट्स ऑलवेज अ पार्टनरशिप। एजुकेशन आई बिलीव इज ऑलवेज अ पार्टनरशिप, सो इट्स डाउन टू द स्टूडेंट्स ऑल्सो वो कितना फ़ायदा लेते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच। We've had an in-depth discussion और हैशटैग करियर गाइडेंस सीरीज में भी हमारा एक ही उद्देश्य है कि in-depth डिस्कशन में स्टूडेंट्स को मल्टीपल करियर ऑप्शंस बताए जाएं ताकि वो करियर ऑप्शंस पिक कर सकें जो एक तो उनके पर्सनालिटी को, उनके नेचुरल टैलेंट्स को सूट करें, एंड सेकंड जो इंडस्ट्री में डिमांड में है दैट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, राइट? एंड सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर स्पेयरिंग योर टाइम फॉर दिस वेरी इन-डेप्थ डिस्कशन। काफ़ी स्टूडेंट्स की जो दिलचस्पी इस रोबोटिक्स एंड ऑटोमेशन बीटेक प्रोग्राम में इस वीडियो देखने के बाद मुझे जाहिर है हुई होगी। कैन यू टेल अस कैसा माइंडसेट का स्टूडेंट है जिसको आप कहते हैं भी यार दिस पर्सन इज गोइंग टू शाइन इन दिस फील्ड? व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ अ माइंडसेट स्टूडेंट शुड अप्लाई एंड व्हाट आर योर एंट्री रिक्वायरमेंट्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ मार्क्स एंड अदर सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग्स?
For this 4 years BTech Mechanical and Automation Engineering and Robotics and Automation Engineering, minimum qualification is required plus 2 non-medical and 65%. If you want to take that admission in lateral entry, but a 3 years diploma program in electrical and electronics engineering, computer science or electrical engineering, then you will get the direct entry in 3rd semester. I will give that message to that parents and students. स्टूडेंट का माइंडसेट होना चाहिए मैं इंजीनियरिंग करना है, ठीक है? और इंजीनियरिंग करना मीन्स कौन सी इंजीनियरिंग फील्ड में जाना है ना। कोर इंजीनियरिंग फील्ड नाउडेज एवरीवेयर इट इज अवेलेबल। इसके बाद भी आपने देखोगे आसपास में जैसे अड़ोसी पड़ोसी में बात होता है, भाई मेरा बच्चा बीटेक करने बाद इंजीनियरिंग करने बाद ही इज नॉट गेटिंग जॉब। इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ पहले स्टूडेंट का माइंडसेट करना, अगर मैं इंजीनियरिंग करना तो कौन सी इंजीनियरिंग ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फ्यूचर के लिए डिमांड होगा, एक जॉब सस्टेनेबिलिटी रहेगा, साथ में उसका करियर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से एवरी टाइम एवरी मोमेंट एक इनोवेशन टेक्निक के एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी के ऊपर मिलता रहेगा, एंड ही विल गेट दैट प्रमोट आल्सो, एंड ही विल नॉट कम बैक टू इफ ही वांट्स टू रीच दैट टॉप पोजीशन. So like this way, this is the robotics field, which is that it's a vast application in every point of view. That products, whatever products they are producing, वही प्रोडक्ट कभी भी जिंदगी में बंद नहीं होना है।
जी।
प्रोडक्ट की जरूरत पड़ेगा ही होगा। It is essential, mandatory for that human being.
And now India is becoming the hub of so much manufacturing. यहाँ जब अभी व्हीकल्स की बात कर रहे थे, अभी कितने ऐसे कंपनीज हैं जो यहाँ से मैन्युफैक्चर करके बाहर एक्सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं। सो ग्रेजुअली ऑल ऑफ दिस मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इज मूविंग टू इंडिया नाउ, एंड रोबोटिक्स एंड ऑटोमेशन एज यू जस्ट सेड इज गोइंग टू प्ले a huge role due to the precision and due to the accuracy and due to the dependability and quality of the manufacturing.
If once he learn this robotics and automation engineering, he will get these 3 technology: computer science, electronics, mechatronics, and mechanical technology in single platform, so that he may not face any kind of problem to take job opportunity from there.
Mr. Tripathi, with rich 18 years of experience इस फील्ड में, रोबोटिक्स एंड ऑटोमेशन में, और एक ऐसा एरा जिसमें ड्राइवरलेस कार्स की बात हो रही है, घरों में रोबोट्स की बात हो रही है, बैटल फील्ड में रोबोट्स की बात हो रही है, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में रोबोट्स की बात हो रही है, जिसमें इंडिया में अभी इस चीज़ का पेनिट्रेशन होना है, फ्यूचर काफ़ी ब्राइट है। आप हमारे यंग 10+2 स्टूडेंट्स जो साइंस इंजीनियरिंग में इंटरेस्टेड हैं उनको मोटिवेट करने के लिए क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे क्लोजिंग में?
स्टूडेंट अगर उसका दिमाग में सोच लिया मैंने इंजीनियरिंग करना, बीटेक करना, इफ ही वांट्स टू टेक दैट ग्लोबल अपॉर्चुनिटी इन द ग्लोबल मार्केट, तो in this field robotics and automation engineering, that government also, Indian government also is going to invest in huge amounts, and that you can say that not only that automobile industry, not only that aircraft industry, in every field, packaging, home appliance, medical science, pharmaceutical, everywhere that he is going to invest. In the global level he can take that, grab that opportunity. As well as a student, once he will come to that GNA University. Why he will choose GNA University? Because GNA University is that the big support of our GNA industry since 1946, 75 years industrial legacy we have, as well as we have tie-up with the different global industries that is I already explained to you. that is your British Science USA and Siemens BLM Germany and Dassault System France. So like this global industries is in 2008, 2009 onwards they are tied with us and the global technology already they transfer to us and same technology we will transfer to our students. So we will give that 100% assurance to our parents that nothing can be hidden from the students. Whatever we explain, whatever we discuss about this, student can check through the social media, through that Google. Okay, he can check what is that automation engineering, what is that robotics engineering, and how that the future prospects are there, what kind of opportunities they can get it. So like this way, everything they can get 100% information of the society. So that I would give that final message to the parents. Parents, please come here and look it and verify that deeply what exactly we are providing here. Then according to that you can take your decision. Why we should take that robotics engineering.
दोस्तों McKinsey द्वारा पब्लिश किए गए रोबोटिक पेनिट्रेशन के ऊपर कुछ आंकड़े जो टॉप 7 कंट्रीज उन्होंने बताए वो ये हैं साउथ कोरिया, सिंगापुर, जर्मनी, जापान, यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स, इटली और चाइना। कोई आश्चर्य नहीं कि इंडिया का नाम अभी टॉप 7 लिस्ट में नहीं है क्योंकि अभी ज्यादा हम ह्यूमन लेबर के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट हैं। पर आने वाला कल अलग होगा। आने वाले कल में एक ह्यूज विंडो ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी है रोबोटिक्स और ऑटोमेशन फील्ड में नॉट ओनली इन इंडिया बट एनीवेयर अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड। The alumni of this university have successfully been placed in Germany, Australia, US, Canada, across the world. So चाहे आप अपना करियर इंडिया में बनाने में दिलचस्प हो, चाहे across the world, this is the right place for you in North India. This is some of the most cutting edge equipment that I have seen with faculty which is coming with loads of experience, international linkages. I am fully satisfied. अगर आपकी रुचि इस फील्ड में है, this is the right place for you to be in. Thank you for watching.